Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now in this video we are going to talk about segment trees. This is just going to be an introduction on what is segment tree and nothing more than that. So let's understand. So segment tree, as you know, it's used for fixed size arrays, and this is also known as statistic tree. It is used to store information on segments or intervals, and this is used to perform two types of operations. So mainly range query, update query. Now what do you mean by range query or update query? Range query means you're supposed to perform an operation between that particular range. Let's say you have to find a minimum or maximum in a particular range, or you have to do a update in that particular range. So any of those two operations, if you have to do more frequently again and again, then segment tree looks like a good fit here. So it has mainly three operations. First is building a tree. First you build a tree, then updating tree, and then querying tree. So updating tree and querying tree, these two operations happens in OAuth login generally. That's why I have written here generally, because maybe in some cases, some special cases where it takes more than that. Otherwise, this is fine. We already learned about binary search trees, AVL tree and all that. So segment tree is also one of them, but it is not that frequently asked in interviews and all. So here, all I can tell you, you can use it for these type of operations where you have more frequent of range query operation or update query operation. There you can use segment trees, and these are the steps for it. But there are actual use cases where I can show you the example or application of segment tree as well. But this video I'm going to keep it very limited to just understanding these details and nothing more than that. So that's all I wanted to explain as part of this video. See you in the next one.